Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. A and B are children of D, who is the father of A. To answer this question, which of the statements, first or second, is necessary? First statement, C is the brother of A and the son of E. Second statement, F is the mother of B. So let's build a pedigree of this family. So we are told that this family has two children, A and B. So let's this one be A and this one B. We cannot put circles or boxes here because we don't know sex of the children, but we know that every child on our planet has mother and father. So we put mother and father on top, and what else we know that one of the parents is D, because we are told that A and B are children of D. So let's draw a cloud here and put letter D here, because we don't know who is D. We know that this have to be one of the parents, but not specified. So now, what statement do we need in order to find to answer the question who is the father of A? So who is the father of A? So we have to put a letter here. Can we answer this question using first statement? C is the brother of A and the son of E. So this gives us additional information that A and B, who are children of D, has a brother C. So A has brother C, and that means that B also would be sibling of C. So C is a brother, so we can put a box here. He is a male. And we also got information that one of the parents is E. But again, it's not specified. It can be a mother or a father. So as you see, using this statement, we only can find that one of the parents is E and one of the parents is D, but not specified who is the father of A, whether E or D. So let's check statement number 2. Again, A and B are children. A and B are children of D. This is what we know initially. So here's the parents, and D can be whether this parent or this parent. We don't know. So let's now read second statement. F is the mother of B. Now we know that F is the mother of B. That gives us information that their father have to be D. So we have answered the question that father of A is D. And we only need one statement. Statement number 2. So our answer would be answer B. We need only the second statement in order to answer this question. Who is the father of A? And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.